We have a follow-up now from a story we first brought you over a year ago during the Hatcher Mountain fires in Sevier County.
Last year, WAT 6 on your side's Kristen Gallant spoke to a veteran who lost his retirement home in those wildfires.
Today, that veteran is now celebrating the rebuilding of his home with the very firefighters who risked their lives to save some important items from that home.
Just over a year ago, this home wasn't here. The house that sat in its place burnt down during the Hatcher Mountain fires. Today, the homeowner is thanking those who rebuilt it and the firefighters who helped keep the community safe.
I'm really happy and I'm grateful.
Last year, Herman Duran was living in Florida and had his vacation home here in the Smoky Mountains. He was only a year away from retiring and making Tennessee his permanent home when he heard about the devastating fire.
I got a call that there's a fire that started and it's miles away, but the mountain has been evacuated, and that's all I could do. I couldn't do anything. My concern was that there was nobody here. And then I left it up to them. They did what they could, and I'm very grateful for them.
Crews from the Northview Fire Department were some of the many firefighters trying to protect the area.
You don't know where the fires jump the road at, so you don't know if your way out is blocked yet. So that was always in the back of our heads while I was up here.
They were there for less than an hour before it became too dangerous and they needed to evacuate.
Dustin and I were around the side of the home. Right before we decided it was time to evacuate. As soon as we went around the corner, the flag was just flying. The wind was just perfect. And I knew right then that this house wasn't going to be standing. So I thought, why not take it? We could always return it. But I just couldn't leave here knowing that I left it.
It was a small gesture that meant a lot to this Air Force vet.
The last thing they were able to do was save the American flag and my Air Force colors, and that just brought tears to me.
Today, those firefighters hanging the flags on Duran's new home.
Oh, I think it's amazing. I mean, we don't normally get to come and experience the new home part of it after, devastation happens.
Duran told us last year that he would rebuild and hang those flags once again. He kept his promise. In Sevier County, Kristen Gallant, WATE 6 on your side.
Great story.
Yes.
I'd like to see that. Kristen, thank you.
Yes, and good to see those flags flying. And Duran also presented the firefighters and the owner of Lipsy Home Builders with a special flag of their own to thank them for their work.